Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add bank in Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open Cash App. Once you open the application, make sure you log into your account. Once you log in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Once you open up this menu, scroll a bit down, then you will see this option linked banks. Tap on it. Now you can tap on this plus icon and then enter your bank details. Make sure to enter your debit card number, your expiration date, your CVV and your zip code. Once you have entered the details, click on this link card button and you will add a bank account in Cash App. And in case if you don't have a debit card, you can click on this no card button and it will take you to your bank's website. Then you'll have to log into your account and then add a bank account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.